Our story today is Pete the Cat. You know all about Pete the Cat, don't you, friends? He's one of our favorite friends here at UPK. And Pete is going to share a fun story about 5 little pumpkins. Because some friends at home may have already gotten some pumpkins and carved faces of jack-o'-lanterns. That's something that people like to do this time of year. All right, so this book is written by James Dean. If James Dean is the author, what did he write, friends? That's right, the words. You're so smart. Pete the Cat, 5 little pumpkins. Now, friends, while I'm reading the story, you can help me out by holding up 5 fingers, your whole hand. Okay? Here we go. 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, can you hold up one finger for me? Oh my, it's getting late. The second one said, can you hold up 2 fingers for me, friends? There are witches in the air. Oh my goodness. The third one said, can you hold up the 3rd finger, 3 fingers, friends? We don't care. The 4th one said, can you hold up 4 fingers for me, friends? Let's run and run and run. There they go. And there's Pete in his school shoes. The 5th one said, all 5 fingers, friends. I'm ready for some fun. Woo, went the wind. I think I heard that today in our stormy weather, friends. And out went the light. Oh, do you see their jack-o'-lantern faces? Oh, who is that, friends? You're right, that's Pete. And 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. And Pete would like to wish you a happy Halloween. All right, friends, great job.